We present our single-dose packing machine with manual loading. It allows to form and fill single-dose sachets. It's a reliable, simple, and fast machine. The operator puts quickly the product in the trays, useful for those who have to do single-dose bags, also with different products. Ideal for small, medium laboratories. Possible different customization and different options, such as printer or data printer. Functions managed by PLC. Seals professionally. You can quickly adjust the different perimeters as the bag's length, so with the same machine you can pack different products, such as biscuits, sweets, granular, food, and no food. Perfect to make small kit to number. Ideal for small, medium laboratories. Possible customizations according to customers' needs. VM step-by-step with manual loading. The simplicity to pack your products to number in single-dose sachets. For more information, visit our website www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.